All right, got a nice beautiful morning, so let's do some painting. So I got the poor man's paint gun here, got this all mocked up, ready to go. So here we go. All right, there we go. Don't look too bad. Alright guys, that'll be it. So if you need, pick up some Eastwood paint. And those guys, you call them up and they'll help you out. And by the way, it is made in the US of A. So, good stuff right here. Alright, that is it. So, if you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you would please. Don't forget to tap the notification bell. That way the algorithm knows that you like this content. Now let's let the sun do the rest of the work and get this dry so we can get her on there. Alright, later.